So she's loaded up, as you can see. Will it roll? Dímelo, what up my people? We're gonna continue with this garage organization stuff, and as true to form, I'm trying to keep it like low budget, like really low budget, not like, you know, $40,000 garage. Right now I got a lot of reclaimed wood, basically some pallets. One of the pallets I scored, I'm gonna cut it along these slats, divide it in half, and shove it in the back of her. There you go. Nice long pallets. I took them all apart, cleaned all the nails off, cut these guys to 20 inches, left this the same exact length. These are about 43, 44, whatever. We'll get into those details later, I guess. So what I plan on doing is maybe doing like 3 shelves. Anyways, you'll see it when it's done. Let me shut my mouth. It's gonna be a lot of time lapse, and you're gonna see what comes up of it, or whatever. I'm editing this shit. Wheels are on. Will it roll? Will it roll? Will it roll away? Nah. It's got brakes. Stupid. We're gonna load it up on containers. Then we're gonna see if it rolls away from me, and then we'll position it where I want. And we're done with this. So she's loaded up. As you can see, all the junk on it. Still got room here. I'm still holding it. Will it roll? Will it roll? Let's find out. Oh, and the brakes aren't even on. You can see on, off. They're all off. The wheels do take a little bit to get them going. They're not super expensive ass wheels. I got them on Amazon for, I think it's like 15 bucks for 8 of them. So they don't have bearings, but it works out. I'm not gonna be rolling it around. Plus, I don't want it rolling around that easily either. Just easy enough for me to move it. So I'm gonna call this project done. I already started taking some of the stuff out of here, which is where it's gonna sit. Get all this crap off the floor, and it's gonna open up this space for me. We're gonna call it done. I think, yeah, we're gonna call it done. Now, as per usual, get out of my garage.